The fillies in the gate. They're off. Fast Flight Tonight broke sharp. So too did Quest for Success. And these two fillies vying for the early lead with odds-on Button Girl lying in wait for them under Robbie Alvarado. Button Girl well spotted after the first furlong and a half. Then Royal Alluvial between fillies. Mrs. Centel and Elusive Wildcat trails with under 4 furlongs to go. Fast Flight Tonight in front. Button Girl waiting in the wings. Nearest the inside, Quest for Success with a black cap. Royal Alluvial fourth, and wide on the course, Mrs. Centel and Elusive Wildcat through the turn. Fast Flight Tonight. Button Girl right there outside her quarters, now in the shadow of the quarter pole. Nearest the inside, Quest for Success straightens in third. Royal Alluvial, Mrs. Centel, and Elusive Wildcat pulled stand side. Here's Button Girl. Button Girl strikes the top on the edge of the eighth pole. Nearest the inside is Fast Flight Tonight under pressure. Royal Alluvial, Quest for Success in a bit of a box. On the outside, Elusive Wildcat stays on. It's Button Girl, the daughter of Mizzen Mast. Robbie Alvarado for Ralph Nixon at 3-5. Button Girl first. Elusive Wildcat second. Then Fast Flight Tonight and Royal Alluvial.